the 90-day timeline is still doable, achievable.
I think so. If they want to, it's also surprising. Of course, they have many reasons, but it's surprising that they would need the weekend to review again their research on these issues. Because the issue on the, for example, the subpoenas, these are not new issues. I suppose and we expect that their staff have done their research. We suppose that the position papers are quite exhaustive. So mukhang mas prepared yung mga abogado ng magkabilang panig kesa sa mga hukom.
O yun
We
na
have
nga eh, hindi po sana kung gusto nilang pabilisin, ngayon na sila nagdesisyon.
Yeah, I mean, we hope or we expect and we hope that the Senate Impeachment Court will do better, do more homework, and they should be more prepared than the parties. Hindi maganda yung passive sila and then hintayin muna natin and then saka sila magtatanong. Because if they do their homework, there'll be less questions. Mas mabilis ang proseso.
It was observed as well that some senators would leave the premises and, come back later on. Hindi ho ba dapat makita na parang, because it's really their role to be able to be judicious in their decisions and to really weigh what's presented to them.
Well, that's true. That's a valid observation. As we all claim, this is a very important case. So they should give priority to it. We could understand if you have to go to the comfort room for your to relieve yourself in some very essential things. But if you're meeting somebody else there, you should schedule that some other time, not at the time you're there. So it is very important, says, for the senators not only to help us discover the truth and for them to weigh the evidence and decide. It's equally important that they show the public that sineseryoso nila ito, fair sila, walang kinikiligan, because the integrity and credibility of the impeachment court is also very important for our people to accept whatever verdict they may come up with.
They are on trial as well in a manner of speaking.
Definitely. We have to understand they are elected representatives of the people every election time. We also measure them and give back to them what we perceive them to be. Are they worthy of being elected? Can we trust these people? Are they doing the job well? Even all of us says the whole nation, I think, is at trial here, because if our country says okay lang mga ito, and the senators as politicians is quasi-political, see that we don't care about corruption, we don't care about abusing power, we don't care about violence, and then our threshold for forgiveness or for justifying these things is very high, hindi tayo galit, hindi tayo sawa, then the senators might just adapt our thinking as a country and say, hindi naman galit, hindi naman agrabyado ang taong bayan dito. Okay lang naman pala kasi kalakalan na yan, di ba? Everybody else does it. So, huwag na lang tayo mag-convict. That's possible. So, in that sense, this country, every Filipino is also at trial here.